Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. Can you think of anything better in the winter than cuddling up by a warm, cozy fire in a cozy sweater or scarf with a yummy cup of hot cocoa? Me neither. That's why I love the Land O'Lakes hot cocoa in salted caramel. This is delicious. It is warm coziness in a cup, and it just makes me so happy when it's cold and gray and rainy outside, which it is often here where I live. I just cannot get enough of the Land O'Lakes cocoa. You can see it's got the chocolate frothy goodness. It smells so delicious. It's got that really strong chocolate flavor with the salted caramel, just so rich and decadent and delicious tasting. It's creamy, it's thick, it's delicious, and it's so easy. It's just like you heat up the water, add the mix, and you've got the perfect cup of hot cocoa that will make anybody's day better. But that's just my point of view.